In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your CIBC credit card. Whether you're switching to a new credit card provider or simply want to manage your finances better, closing your credit card account is a straightforward process. However, there are a few important steps to ensure everything goes smoothly and you don't miss out on any benefits or incur unnecessary fees. First, before you even think about calling customer service, make sure your balance is fully paid off. It's crucial that there are no outstanding dues or pending transactions on your account. This step is vital because any remaining balance can complicate the cancellation process and might even result in additional charges or fees. So, take a moment to review your recent transactions and pay off any remaining amounts. Next, you'll want to redeem any rewards you might have accumulated, like cashback or points. Often, these perks are tied to your account and may be forfeited once the account is closed. So, go ahead and log into your rewards program or contact CIBC to find out how you can make the most of your rewards before you say goodbye to your card. Whether it's redeeming points for a gift card or cashing out your cashback, be sure to take advantage of those benefits while you still can. Once you've tackled those preliminary steps, it's time to get in touch with CIBC customer service. You can easily find the customer service number on the back of your credit card or through CIBC's official banking support. When you call, be prepared to request the closure of your credit card account. The representative will guide you through the process, and it's a good idea to confirm that the cancellation is being processed. They might ask you some security questions to verify your identity, so have your information handy to make the call as smooth as possible. Finally, before you end the call, ask for written confirmation or a reference number. This is a crucial step to ensure you have proof of the cancellation for your records. Having this documentation can prevent any misunderstandings in the future and provide peace of mind that your account has been successfully closed. And that's how you cancel your CIBC credit card. By following these steps, you can ensure a hassle-free cancellation process while securing any rewards you've earned. Remember, managing your credit responsibly is key to maintaining healthy financial habits, so feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.